God, come out! Well, that could have gone better. Well, what you see here is my take on a mad scientist invention. I have a big heatsink here, a fan attached to that. These fans run, and then this just holds it on. I threw in some random video card. I'm not even sure if it works or not. But some random video card. Powered it up. Okay. But I didn't test it with the video card. But now I have a screen. I'm going to have you looking at the screen and probably my knee. Here it is. I have a keyboard right here. I'm going to hit the back switch so that it powers itself on. Let's see if anything pops up. No luck, key comes on. But the screen's not coming on. That's got a lot of extra venting. But no, it's not wanting to power on that way. Again, this is a mad scientist invention, and I'm sure at least 37 hamsters had to sacrifice their life for me to get this to work. But anyways, yeah, I don't know either. I'm going to point this back to this. If I cannot tilt it upward, so that's out of the question. I want to find the power button. Here it is. Turn it on. There we go. So it's ready to power on the right way. I need some cleaning in there from the fans. Yes, I can do that. Kind of. So you are looking at the screen right now. I'm going to move that back a little bit. That's all the way zoomed out. Well, let's try this again. Not working. What's going on? Everything's still plugged in. I don't know what's going on here. There you go, the dough came on. Now the unit's going back on. No lock comes on and everything. Caps lock doesn't come on, but no lock comes on. Not entirely sure what's up here. I had every intention of turning this into some sort of AMD rig anyways, so am I losing anything? Eh. Am I a little bit disappointed that it's doing this? Sure. Can I do anything about it? Probably not. Let's try this one more time. That was not all the way plugged in. Let's see if it'll power up with the button now. Nope, no button. Some of these things here were unplugged. Doesn't seem like any of these are in the right place. I'll figure out something. There's this one fan going the wrong way, but that shouldn't affect it. If it's like any old Dell machine I know, even though this predates Dell, the RAM cards must be exactly the same. And these old Dells were extremely picky. Like, so picky you wouldn't believe it. I believe it's got 2 gigs of value RAM there. I'll move it back over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Or not. Gotta find the right socket. There we go. Here's an Infineon card, and I dropped it. Fantastic. So yeah, if it's like any old Dell machine I've ever had, it needs some sort of RAM to boot correctly. Then again, I believe this video card is no good anyways, so am I losing anything? Probably not. I'm just gonna switch it off and unplug it for now. I'm gonna take off my little heatsink contraption here because I have a proper heatsink on the way. And who knows, maybe it just needs something there like a complete circuit. Or the CPU is just not the right kind. Which wouldn't surprise me at all. I'll just use the GTX 650 Accelerate edition I have later. So yeah, that'll be the right kind of card to test this all with. I'm just seeing if there's anything I could have missed. I would not think it needs a hard drive to boot. CPU is not hot. Let's try the other CPU next time. This is a 1.7 gigahertz. Which for a Pentium 4, that's very slow. But I have another video coming right up, so yeah. Focus, there we go. Thanks, Gameway out. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Yes, this does count as another fail video. As if you couldn't tell by that little video thing. And look, I noticed these things turn out and make little feet. Yay. Bye.